folks, now this wall over here, we sort of cheaped out a little bit. Later on, we may, come summertime, work on some boards and do like we did the wall over there. But for now, we bought 4 sheets of paneling and we're going to put that up here. Now, we'll see how it looks. I don't know, like I said, later on we may have to put boards up. As you can see, you got a lot of indifferences in the wall here. I don't know how it's going to work out. Like right here, there's, you can see a crack and everything. And we'll just go through it and we'll try it and see. I don't really know how this is going to turn out, but we'll be finding out. So right now we've got to take this molding down. Like I said, this is the old farmhouse. Throughout the years, it looked good at the time and everything. They just sort of patched and everything like that there. But we'll try it and see, and we'll go from there. First thing we gotta do is try to get this molding put down. We don't really want to rip all the rest of the wall down. Now I can remember it growing up. This here had like gold flake on it there, and the person that was actually renting this from my dad's sister, he had painted over it this white and everything. So we'll see what it does. Alrighty folks, taking a razor knife and going down along this, whatever this stuff was, it's got a metal edge on it here, and that little lip I think would have been too much for the panel, and I believe it would show a bow. It may still show a bow, hopefully not as bad. And we'll go down through here scoring this. Yeah, as you can see, it sort of had it's got a metal edge to it. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know what year stuff we're dealing with there or anything.
Maybe some of them know.
Maybe you know. If you do, leave it in the comments. That's all I'm doing. I'm just scoring it, going back down through, breaking it off there. And then one day we'll have one thing with the ceiling. We'll have to work on it a little bit there. Trust me. If I had all the time in the world and money, that's another thing, money, we'd have plenty of projects to do, folks. Alrighty, folks. Picked this up at Harbor Freight. By no way are they any sponsors of us. Just let you know where I got this from. But Harbor Freight, if you're listening, if you'd like to. No, I'm just joking. We'll use these to cut out for the outlet holes. We've got a little Dremel tool. And let me go grab the other saw blade. What we're going to do, we're going to have to cut the bottom of this paneling. And for that there, we need something that's real fine tooth. Be right back. Alrighty. So we picked this up the other day. This was only like $5 and something. Awesome. But anyway, you can see it's fine tooth. That there is better for cutting fine stuff. And we don't want to rip this all to pieces. But one good thing, almost all of it will be putting molding back. So if it does mess up a little bit, that'll save your butt a little bit there. I've got two people behind me here doing their best to make me laugh. I'm getting ready to turn the camera around on them here. Alrighty, let's get started. You can see we squirted the glue on there. Now we'll put this piece up, press it in, and we'll tack it in place. Alright, let's try to get this cut. Now, I'll have to cut 27 inches. And I'll cut that up through there. Alrighty, folks. Let's give you an idea. Now that up there at the top, the way the ceiling was, that was the best we could do. We're gonna, best I could do, let's put it that way. But I think it'll get covered up with the molding that we're using. But no, the ceiling actually is lower in that one spot and all. That'll be the project. That'll probably be either the next shutdown or this summer. But it actually turned out pretty good so far. Hopefully it'll stay that way.
Okay guys, this is after we put the quarter round molding up. I think it looks beautiful. Daniel and Doug done a great job.
Alrighty folks, there's the finished product. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day.
Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday.